Precision Power Reference Standards HC3600 contains the following equipment: the power reference standards within the rolling case, testing equipment with the toolbox. The toolbox contains clamp CT5AS 5A and cable or wire compensators, testing probes for currents and voltage, testing probes, conductors, the optical sensor, the DC power adapter with AC power core. First of all, you can see the power, FG, and power switch, primary CT clamp input, secondary CT clamp input, voltage input terminal, direct current input terminals, energy test port 1, energy test port 2 for the ports input and output. The presentation of the main function will be shown at the center of the touch panel. Function operators will be shown at the bottom of the touch panel. Leading operators will be shown at the right side of the touch panel. When users are using each function, they can see the related function guide on Help. Function is a completely terminology and operation guide for all functions. Users will hear the connecting sound after you connected the voltage test cable to the HC3600 well. Next, connect it to the object you would like to test, finishing connecting voltage probes. Start to connect primary and secondary CT clamp. HC3600 is using 3 colors, which are yellow, green, and red, to indicate 3 phases for the primary and secondary CT clamp input. The yellow terminals presents phase 1, the green terminal presents phase 2, the red terminals presents phase 3. CT clamps have directionality. Data collecting of front side of CT clamp will be different from the back side of CT clamp. Connect 3 phases CT clamps for testing current. Connecting the optical sensors to the object meter. Users will see the blinking blue light when the optical sensors has been connected well. After all wiring connections are all set, press function 1 into function 1 setting. Function 1 setting contains system and wiring, current input mode, clamp measurement line, energy counter test time, etc. The function 1 is a function for fundamental measurements. Function 1 can show the instant measurement values. User can see the true RMS measurement values, positive or negative sequence and waveform. Function 2 is function for the energy error test report. Press function 2 into function 2 setting to confirm and set the object meter information. After the function 2 setting is all set, press EPN1 or EPN2 to start the energy error test. The energy error test result will be shown on the error test table and error average table. The function 3 is a function for the power analysis in harmonic domain. Harmonic analysis function is able to analyze harmonic for U1, U2, U3, I1, I2, I3 up to 2 to 100 times. Harmonic analysis 21 to 40 times, harmonic analysis 41 to 60 times, harmonic analysis 61 to 80 times, harmonic analysis 81 to 100 times. The function 4 is the function for the wiring error detection. HC3600 offers the best wiring connection advice for users which can avoid the wiring error. The function 5 is the function for the wave captures. The function 5 shows waveform and let users set the trigger for voltage or current. The function 6 is the function for CT ratio test, CT burden test, and PT burden test. Before start to persist the CT ratio test, users are required to set up settings which are according to on-field work demands. The clamp CT550P 1000 ampere or clamp CT520P 200 ampere. Both types of clamps are presented as primary input. The direct input connection, the clamp CT5AS 5 ampere. Both types of connections are presented as secondary input. Users can review the related test information for 3 phases from the below table. For the CT burden test, set the CT information on function 6 setting. We are now using the clamps CT5AS 5 ampere to test the CT burden for 3 phases. We can know the CT burden data of this CT. For the PT burden test, we are also using the clamp CT5AS 5 ampere. The PT burden test procedure is as same as the CT burden test. For the final function, function A, file record and data logs. The function A can record maxima or minima logs, demand logs, trend logs. Users can see and analyze detailed test data which have been collected before, demand log, trend log.